How to delete and remove all your likes on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to find and unlike your posts on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on your activity from the list of options. In the next step, tap on Interactions to expand that section. Following this, tap on Likes to see all the posts you have liked. Once done, you'll see a complete list of every post you've ever liked, sorted by most recent. From here, tap on the Filter or Sort option at the top if you want to narrow down your likes by date range or account. At this stage, start tapping on each post one by one to open it. After this, tap the red heart icon on the post to unlike it, and then go back to the likes list to continue with the next one. Finally, keep repeating the process until you've gone through all the posts you want to unlike. Unfortunately, there is no option to remove all likes at once on Instagram, so unliking each post one by one is currently the only way to do it. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you clean up your like posts, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.